Hello everyone, my topic is about web-based restaurant ordering system. First of all, for background, this is discussed the design and implementation of a web-based QR code scanning self-service food ordering system. With the continuous development of technology, the survey system is more and more inclined to intelligence, in which the restaurant service is more so. Intelligent food ordering system improve the customer satisfaction and the modes of restaurants allows customer to make intelligent food ordering is gradually become the future trend. The QR code ordering system meets the demand of customer to order food easily on mobile phone, which reduced the waiting and querying time of customer in the peak dining period. In addition, QR code ordering system also reduced the error rate of orders while speeding up the operational efficiency of the restaurant. The objective of this thesis is to design and implement a fully functional code scanning food ordering system that can be used to satisfy the customer and the restaurant needs by analyzing the needs of them. It also has some limitations. First of all, the system only operates in a local network environment and cannot be accessed through the internet. It means the order and the user information in the database is stored locally only, and it doesn't interact with external systems. The second one is the virtual payment process is simulated during the ordering process without using the real payment system. It means users pay using the balance of the visual account, and the system simulates a successful payment interface to achieve this. After the payment is completed, the system does not generate real transaction payment records. This part talk about structure of the work. First of all, we talk about introduction. The introduction part includes the background of self-service food ordering system and their importance. This section focuses on why this topic was chosen and how the QR code self-service ordering system can positively impact the restaurant industry. Second part is about system requirements analyze. This part first analyze the business process of the current food ordering method in the restaurant industry, and according to the needs of customer and restaurant, making the product function design of the web. This part is mainly composed of text and diagrams, and the diagrams include the system business process diagram and the use case in a diagram for each role interacting with the system. For the method description, this system developed using a Visual Studio and this environment and the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL was used for creating and maintaining the database. The web program was built using the ASP.NET framework and C#. The front-end development using the React.js. Next part, we talk about system design. System design mainly includes the database design, the system function design, and the system interface design. Database design includes drawing the class diagram of each entity and the ER model diagram. The database is divided into 4 tables. The first one is dishes. It includes dish ID, dish name, dish picture, and dish price. The second table is about user interface. It includes the customer ID, customer name, phone number, and balance. For table, the table includes table ID and table capacity. And finally is ordering table. The ordering table includes ordering ID, table ID, customer ID, dish ID, and order status. And the system functional design is to elaborate the function contained in the system, which includes drawing the system structure diagram and splitting the system models. The system models include the user model, restaurant personal model, and management model. And the system interface design is to design the interface for each model of the system. To fulfill the user's need, it includes the user interface, restaurant interface, and the management interface. First, for user interface, it means users jump to the ordering interface by scanning the QR code. The QR code is connected to the table number of the restaurant. In this interface, it contains the shopping cart interface, food picture, food text information, and their price. Functions of this interface are food can be added to the shopping cart while showing the success of the addition. And the shopping cart display the total value of the all of the food. After the shopping cart is successfully purchased, it will jump to another interface, and the food information will be added to the database. And then restaurant staff can check the user's order through another interface. This interface is restaurant interface. This screen displays the food added to each table, and also have the total cost of the food. And when the order is completed, the staff can use the button to change the status of the order, just like the order is completed or not completed. And for management interface, the administrators can use the management interface to maintain and view the system. It can display the different interface according to the different roles login. When the customer roles login, they are able to view their order and price, balance, and personal information. In addition, when the administrator login, they can edit and delete manual information and membership information. For all of these 3 interface use the same database. The fifth part is about system implementation and the result. This part includes the screenshot and the demonstration of the system interface, as well as the code analysis and the description of each structure. The sixth part is about system testing. System testing use a black box testing method to document test result and defects. This includes login function test, customer ordering function test, database function test, restaurant personal use function test, and management function test. Finally, for conclusion, the conclusion includes a summary of overall the system design and the implementation, outlining the completed and defective parts of the order system. Next part is about literature review. Restaurant holding systems are gradually changing from the traditional manual ordering mode to the smart ordering mode. The intelligence ordering system have improved customer satisfaction, and about 76% of the consumers prefer to use self-service kiosks to complete their ordering. Scanning QR code ordering is a popular area in self-service ordering. It allows customers to access the menu, order, and pay by scanning QR code on the table from their cell phone. The benefit of this model is to reduce labor cost and minimize the customer needs for service. The process information on the electronic menu also allows customers to know exactly what they are ordering. Self-service ordering system enable restaurant operators to effectively improve the labor shortage. At the same time, it also improved the cost efficiency and the business income, allowing the customer to have a better dinner experience. However, there are some limitations to this technology, such as some customers concerned about the collection of personal information and data from scanning QR code, the difficulty of navigating the interface, and the negative impacts on some groups such as elderly and unbacked. The goal of this thesis is to design a system that will improve the ease of use, reduce operational difficulties, and increase user satisfaction. For the method, this system developed using the Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an integrated development environment developed by Microsoft that can be used to build websites. It's supposed to use of multiple programming language, and it can provide a comprehensive set of development tools such as code editors, debuggers, and GUI design tools. Secondly, the system also used the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is used to creating and maintaining the database. It's an open source objective reaction database system and supports many data types and features such as queries, forging keys, triggers, views, and transaction. In addition to this, the system uses ASP.NET Framework and C# to build the web programs. ASP.NET is a development framework that can be used to build the dynamic websites. It's a part of Microsoft .NET framework and allows developers to use .NET language such as C#. C# is a modern programming language, which is the main development language of the .NET framework. Finally, the front-end development is completed using React.js. React.js is an open-source JavaScript library that can be used to build user interface. Here is my thesis schedule, and we can see I divided it to 5 parts. The first one is system requirement analyze. This part for 1 week, and the system design. This part also for 1 week. System implementation and result. This part is longer for 4 weeks. System testing, this part for 1 week. And finally, the thesis editing and organization, this part for 1 week. Here, these are my sources for the literature reviews. That's all. Thank you.